In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up collaboration on your business opportunities and align your entire sales and marketing team to become perfectly customer focused. Here, click on Create Connection on the top right. Give a name to your connection. I'm going to name mine Business Opportunities. Then I can restrict which users can connect to HubSpot with this connection. This is a great way to make sure that only the right people have access to HubSpot. Now you can click on OK. The new connection will appear on the list. Click on the blue Connect button, then select your HubSpot account and you will be back in Confluence. Let's create a new connection and name it Contact Details. I select the SDR group here. I click on OK. Connect. And now I can click on the pencil button under Action to edit the connection. Here I'm going to select which columns will be accessible with the connection. These columns include every default property and every custom property in the connected HubSpot instance. First, I select the classic contact details: name, email, phone address, etc. The selection saves when you click outside of the drop-down. And you can go to the deal columns, which I'm going to basically deactivate. And the company columns: street, address, city, country, phone number, etc. Let's click OK. Let me start by first creating the full list of our current contacts. I'm going to type /HubSpot to open the macro. Then I have to make sure that I'm using the right connection: Business Opportunities. Next, I select Contacts in the drop-down. Now I'm ready to search. To get everything, I use the asterisk. Here are the results. To select all, I click on the checkbox at the top of the list. There I have 311 items. By the way, there are no limits how many contacts you can publish at once. Finally, I can manage the properties here called columns that are included in the table. I will add associated deals and job title. Let's insert this and publish. So, that's a long list. I see that the table has some scroll, so I'm going to add it back and go to white to show every column. Now you should see that each of these contact links to HubSpot. For example, let's click to Elsa Müller here. I access her record directly on HubSpot. To access the advanced search, open the side panel and click on the HubSpot search logo. Here we'll find the main options that you're already familiar with. There are also filters. Let's look for deals and add a filter. You can filter by any column in the connection. I'm looking for an account executive, so I pick the deal owner. Select an operator I'm going to leave is one off. Now I want to add a second condition. So I click on the end operator. I want to check a particular sensitive pipeline, mad deals. I hit apply to see the results. And I can also customize which properties I use. If you try the app, please send your suggestions and we'll be happy to keep growing the product. I'm dropping out here. Thanks a lot. Cheers.